PV Manufacturing Company. Immediate recruitment. Location, Vallam, Chennai. Job roles: Quality Inspector, Assembly Operator. Shift details: Women, General Shift. Men, Rotational Shift. Qualifications: 10/12 at Standard. 80. Diploma. Any degree. Salary: 15,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, based on experience. Benefits: free transport facility, free food. HR contact: 6385760888 6385760444.